In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your own blog on Blogger with ease. Whether you're new to blogging or just looking for a simple platform to share your thoughts and ideas, Blogger offers an accessible and straightforward way to get your words out into the world. Let's dive into the steps to get you started. First things first, you'll need to set up your blog. Begin by signing into Blogger using your Google account. Once you're logged in, head to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see a small down arrow. Click on this and select New Blog. From here, you'll enter your blog title, choose a blog address or URL, pick a template that suits your style, and then click Create. With those simple clicks, you've taken your first step into the blogging world. Now that your blog is set up, let's explore your dashboard. Consider this your control center, where you can manage everything from posts and pages to comments, themes, layout, and settings. Familiarizing yourself with this area will empower you to make the most of your blogging experience. It's time to create your first post. To do this, click New Post, or simply look for the pencil icon. In the post editor, you'll have a wide array of tools to bring your content to life. You can format your text, insert images, videos, links, headings, and lists, all designed to enhance your storytelling. Don't forget to check the post settings on the right side of the screen. Here, you can add labels or tags to categorize your post, schedule the publication time, customize the permalink, set the location, and manage commenting options. Once you're happy with how everything looks, hit Publish to go live and share your post with the world. Next up, you'll want to customize your blog layout. Head over to Layout, where you can add or remove gadgets or widgets like search bars, social media icons, archives, and more. This section allows you to tailor the user experience on your blog. Static pages like About or Contact are vital for providing important non-post content. To add these, go to Pages, click New Page, then enter a title and your desired content. When you're satisfied, hit Publish. Now, head to Theme and under Customize, you can modify the look of your blog by changing fonts, colors, and layout. If you're comfortable with HTML, go a step further with Edit HTML under Theme to make more detailed modifications to the template. Finally, it's time to promote your blog and grow your audience. Share your posts on social media and engage with relevant communities who might benefit from your insights. As your blog grows, consider integrating Google Analytics to track your performance and, once approved, AdSense to start monetizing your content. And there you have it, a simple way to begin your blogging journey on Blogger. Follow these steps, and you'll be blogging with confidence in no time.